I'm Amy Green from Emerald City. You can find us on ems.gold or dab.guru. I'm here today to introduce you to Missouri's Medical Marijuana Amendment 2. You may be wondering how you could become a legal patient. Step 1, a physician certification. This is not a prescription. This is a written notice from doctors stating that it is of use to you to use medical cannabis. Only doctors can certify you, no nurses or assistants. June 4th or later would be the ideal time to get your certification. You can start doing it now if you want, but you'll need a certification that is less than 30 days old when it comes time to send in your application for your Missouri identification card. The qualifying conditions include cancer, epilepsy, glaucoma, migraines that have been unresponsive to other treatments, chronic medical conditions that cause severe persistent pain or persistent muscle spasms, debilitating psychiatric disorders including but not limited to PTSD, HIV and AIDS, a chronic medical condition that is normally treated with a prescription medication that could lead to psychological or physical dependence. This means patients that are currently being prescribed medications that are physically or mentally addictive to them may potentially use cannabis as an alternative. Any terminal illness will be covered under this law for medical cannabis. Any other chronic, debilitating, or other medical condition that a doctor sees fit will be qualified as well. Step 2, after you have your doctor's certification, you'll need to apply to the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services. This will be available on July 4th, most likely online. If you need more than 4 ounces a month, or 4 ounces per 30 days, you'll need 2 doctor's certifications to send in with your application. So send in the physician certification, and it must be within 30 days. Also, you'll want to list a caregiver on your application, and we'll talk more about that in an upcoming video. This is the time schedule from the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services. We made a timeline that is a little bit more relevant to just the patients. On June 4th, all applicants are listed on this website. All applications are listed on this website. On July 4th, the Department of Health and Senior Services begins taking patient application and patient grower applications. On August 3rd, applications for facilities will be accepted. Dispensary, cultivator, infused products, and testing facilities are included in this. On August 4th, patients will have ID cards or written denial. If not, their certifications are usable as IDs for up to 1 year. Now, August 4th only applies to patients that were active and applied 30 days before. Otherwise, it's 30 days from whenever you apply. January 2020 is when the Department of Health and Senior Services expects patients to be able to purchase cannabis from dispensaries. This may be due to the fact that all Missouri cannabis must be grown in Missouri. Marijuana cannot cycle much faster than 4 months, and so there will be time before the product is ready and on the shelves. If you have your own medical grower's card, you may want to start your own grow. You can start a seed or a clone. We will talk more about home growing in an upcoming video as well. MSOC Gold will be partnering with medical cannabis facilities and industry to provide strong and vigorous genetics to Missouri's budding cannabis industry and patient growers with our pending licensing and pre-sale contracts pending. We'll be looking forward to talking to you about home grows and more information and keeping you up to date and new videos.